Hello everybody, it's Gemma from Body Fix It. I hope you're well. So Mental Health Awareness Week. So that is all of this week where we're trying to raise the awareness on people's mental health. It's a huge part of your overall health. If you are struggling mentally, then you're going to struggle physically. So mental health is something that I think a lot of us don't talk about. And a lot of us struggle with, me included. Sometimes I have good days, sometimes I have bad days, and I think everybody is like that. But it's recognizing when there is a problem that needs some help, but also it's kind of, I think not everybody, but a lot of people are really hard on themselves. So we talk to ourselves in a way that we would not talk to our friends and our family and our loved ones. So you'll say to yourself, oh, you're really stupid for doing that, or oh, you look terrible, or you look fat, or you look, oh, I can't look in the mirror because I look ugly. And all of these things which actually, just if you hear them over and over again, just make your mood feel low, make you feel lethargic, make you have aches and pains, make you, not want to be out there and enjoying life. So I think a lot of us are really hard on ourselves. We judge ourselves a lot, and also we can't see the positives and the negatives. We always see the negatives. We don't see the love and the good things that are going on in our life. We just see things that aren't going so well. So you're always seeing what you can't do, and you're always seeing what you feel restricted with, and you always see what's going wrong, and you just notice the things that are stacking up rather than things that you're grateful for, and the things that you're happy about, and the things that maybe have gone really well that you don't even notice because it's become normal now. And I think we really have to focus on the gratitude. So what are we thankful for? What's gone really well? What are you happy about? What made you smile today? And are you focusing on those things rather than the not so good things? Also, I think, are you talking to someone? It doesn't matter who it is, but just, do you have someone that you can pick up the phone, or you can just knock on their door and be like, hi, I need some time? And that person will just sit there and listen to you. Or how often does somebody ask you, how are you? And listen and pause and wait for the answer. And I think in this world where we're all really, 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 really busy, we've got this to do, that to do, or I'm moving on to the next thing, or I've got 15 things running around in my head. If you're not focusing on that person, you're not giving them all your love and attention, and listening to them, because we're all really good at talking. We're not very good at listening sometimes. So do you have someone who can create that space for you to listen, and maybe you do vice versa, so that you listen for that person? But it's really important that you are supported and feeling loved and listened to, and feeling appreciative, and focusing on the good stuff, and laughing. So if you find you're not laughing very much, maybe life is just too busy, and you need to pause and work out, what do you need to focus on right now? What is the essentials? And anything else can just go out the window, and you can just pause. And I've done it myself. I did it a couple of weeks ago. I had to just pause and go, right, I'm going away for the weekend. I'm not going to be in the normal kind of stuff. I'm actually going to have a weekend by myself, just to have that pause. And being alone, a lot of people struggle with. I actually really enjoy being alone. But if you have a friend, you can knock on their door, and the kettle's going to go on, and you're going to sit and you're going to have a cuppa, and you're going to put the words to rights. That's a perfect friend. And you need to make sure you have somebody who can do that and be that person. So just it was going to be a quick video, but just a thought for mental health awareness. It's not just this week, it's the rest of your life, is making your mental health a priority. Because if your mood is low, if you are struggling, if you've got brain fog, if you are tired, all of those things are gonna have a big impact on how you feel, and how your day goes, and how your week goes, and then your month, and then the year goes. So think about that person. Who's it going to be? Maybe you need to be that person for someone else. If you know they're struggling, take them out for a cup of tea. Doesn't have to be a cup of tea. Go for a walk. Do something. Get yourself outside in this lovely weather that we've got at the moment. But it's a really great way for you to, and my eyes are going because it makes me feel emotional, is thinking about you having that friend who you rely on and they rely on you. And it doesn't matter what's going in your world, they'll be there for you. So find that person, have coffee with them, go for a walk with them, do something with them, and have a lovely day.